Hi guys, Complex Gamer here, and today we're gonna play FIFA 16 on mobile. Most people are gonna say I'm poor, but I just don't want to buy a console. We're only gonna use a goalkeeper in this game, or this match. Loading. EA Sports established.
Hi everybody, Mark Tyler here along with Alan Smith, welcoming you to
Pass to the
big game today.
goalie.
Looked very good indeed.
Oh, yeah, okay.
Move was broken down. I don't think he was quite
If
sure
you
where
actually
the goal
let the
was, so he took
goalkeeper
the shot
attack, the defense doesn't much try to tackle. Oh, crud. Yes, I survived. Goalkeeper. This is a left midfielder. I just put him in goalkeeper.
The keeper
So
decided to take it on.
no, stolen. No. Yes, blocked.
Right in quickly to try and win the ball back.
Damn,
That passage
Daniel.
of play was able to make the interception. He committed himself here. There wasn't much cover, but he got the ball, the defender, in the wide position.
Sorry I haven't made a video in a while.
Goalkeeper is on the move.
Ooh, jukes. Goalkeeper on the clear.
Oh,
He scores!
he
scores! Yeah! He scores! Goalie scores! Yeah! Finally! Yeah! 1-0. Yeah!
That's a clever run by his teammate off the ball. Onto the attack now. Oh, volley! They've still got an opportunity here after the goalkeeper parried it. Well, I don't believe what I'm seeing here. What's come over the goalkeeper? But he's backing his ability with the ball.
Oh, good. He looks tired. I would have subbed him off.
Surely he's going to score here. Good challenge here.
No.
Well, that's half time at 1-0.
Half time.
We wonder whether there might be an upset here, but
And the goalie scores.
Really the favoured side are very much on the front foot and on the right.
As you can see, he's left mid. Let's sub him.
Here we go with the second half.
Second half.
You have to be a good player to wait a pass like that. I don't think really. Good forward play from them.
Corner.
They're a goal down. Well, that corner hasn't led to anything disappointing.
Barely. Pass to the goal. Still Johnson, what the heck? Didn't I sub him off?
Well, goalkeepers are much better with the ball at their feet these days. They have to be. But this is not what the coaches had in mind when they said pick up with your feet, supporting player alongside. This is the chance.
No. Oh, yeah. He still has the ball. He shoots. Oh, wow. Way too high.
first one, but he's not far off.
Substitution.
Well, the losing team have got to do something, and this is it, the substitution.
I'm pretty sure we're gonna win if I can defend this.
On the move here is a teammate of his. He's got good support
Ooh,
from a teammate, good movement.
skills. I'm just all gone past one. Past two. Past three. Pass it on.
It's a chance.
Foul.
In quickly.
Somewhat foul.
That was a foul. The referee
What
allowed
the?
the game to go on. He's entitled to do that.
How is that a foul? Okay, whatever. We have possession.
Well, he's playing it back to the goalkeeper. Well, this goalkeeper has bags of confidence. I hope he's got bags of ability.
See, they're not even attacking. Oh, yeah. Game over, we win.
And it has finished in the end 1-0. Well, it has been much more of a match.
Thank you guys for watching and see you soon. Goodbye. Subscribe to Complex Gamer.